In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps here on a MacBook Air in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Now, this is specifically going to be for the MacBook Air that released in 2025, but it's going to work on pretty much every MacBook since the process is the exact same. What you're going to want to do first is go ahead and open up your Finder. You can do this just by finding your Finder on your dock and just opening it up, or you can hit Command Space, typing in Finder, hitting Enter, and it's going to take you directly to it. From here, look on this left-hand sidebar and find Applications on here. Open it up, and this is going to show you a list of every single application that's currently installed here on your Mac. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is just go to the app that you're trying to delete. Let's just say it's Roblox. Select it, and then from here, all you need to go ahead and do is right click on this, and you're going to see that there's no delete option on here. However, there is a move to trash option on here. You can go ahead and select this, or what you can actually do is just hit Command Delete, and it's going to immediately remove it. You may have a confirmation that you have to do. In my case, I don't, but after you do that, and I'm actually going to undo that real quickly. Just go down to your trash bin down in the bottom right click on it, hit empty trash, and you will be good to go. It's going to permanently remove that app. And that is how you could delete apps here on the MacBook Air that released in 2025, in 2026, in future years as well. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.